Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to use a milk pump and share a simple guide for mothers who are new to pumping. Using a pump for the first time can feel confusing, but once you understand the basic steps, it usually becomes much easier and more comfortable. Before starting, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. A clean setup is an important part of a safe pumping routine. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps make pumping sessions smoother. Before beginning, take a moment to relax and get comfortable. Some mothers like to drink water or sit quietly for a few minutes before starting. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting rather than the strongest one. A comfortable and steady approach is often easier to maintain. Do not worry if milk does not start flowing immediately. It is normal for the body to take a few minutes to adjust to the session. During pumping, try to maintain a steady routine and avoid rushing. Many mothers find that consistency helps make sessions feel more comfortable over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Cleaning all pump parts after every session is also very important. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the pump ready for the next use. Every mother's experience is different, so it may take some time to find a routine that works best for you. With patience, practice, and consistency, using a milk pump can become a simple and manageable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.